Today I would like to read one of my favorite books. It's called Big Dog, Little Dog. Big Dog loves Little Dog. They're so fond of each other. Little Dog says Big Dog is better than a brother. On a sunny morning, they meet and go play, and off they bound, the best of friends, to spend a perfect day. "Let's go and swim," says Big Dog. "Dive in, ready or not." But soon he's all puffed and pants. "Whew, I'm much too hot." Little Dog jumps in the pond to do as he was told. But in a flash, he leaps back out. "Brr, I'm getting cold." Little Dog likes to run and race and cries out, "Get, set, go." But then he finds his little legs are simply much too slow. Big Dog gallops past him, and Little Dog comes last, wishing that his larger friend were not so very fast. Big Dog loves to climb a tree. He's such a perky pup. With one bound, he leaves the ground and clambers up, up, up. Little Dog looks up the tree, and with a worried frown, he tries to reach the lowest branch, but bump, he falls back down. Up ahead, the dogs can see some friends all in a crowd. Big Dog tries to say hello, but woof, he's just so loud. The friends all scamper, scared away by such a noisy riot, and Little Dog can't call them back because his bark's too quiet. Little Dog and Big Dog have had a crazy day. No matter what one tries to do, the other just can't play. They'd both hope for a lovely time together in the sun. But now they're tired, and still there's nothing. Both the pups find fun. When one dog's cold, the other's hot. If one is happy, the other's not. If one runs fast and wins first place, the other's slow and just can't race. When one dog's brave and climbs high up, the other falls down. Poor old pup. One has such a quiet bark, he hardly makes a sound. The other's bark is just so loud, it's heard for miles around. They've tried so many different games, but nothing really fits. How can they be the best of friends if they're such opposites? Tired and hungry, off they go to find some food and rest. And then it hits them, yes, of course. They know what they like best. They both enjoy a tasty dinner or bone to chew, and both love curling up to sleep in a basket made for two. And that book again was called Big Dog, Little Dog. Thanks for joining me.